While AI is transforming civil engineering, it's crucial to balance this technology with human expertise. AI is a powerful tool that can process and analyze vast amounts of data in the blink of an eye. Its capabilities, when utilized in civil engineering, can lead to breakthroughs in efficiency, accuracy, and even safety. But it's essential to remember that AI is just that, a tool. It's a means to an end, not the end itself. Human expertise plays a vital role in interpreting and implementing the findings of AI. Engineers, with their years of education and experience, bring to the table an understanding that transcends pure data. They possess a unique intuition, the ability to anticipate potential problems, and the creativity to devise innovative solutions. These are qualities that, at least for now, AI simply cannot replicate. Moreover, the ethical judgment of human engineers is indispensable. They ensure that technology is used responsibly, that it respects privacy, and that it benefits society as a whole. AI, with its binary logic, can't distinguish right from wrong or consider the social implications of its actions. The future of civil engineering isn't a tug-of-war between AI and human expertise. Rather, it's about creating a harmonious partnership where each complements the other's strengths. AI provides the raw computational power and efficiency, while humans provide the intuition, creativity, and ethical oversight. In the future of civil engineering, AI and human expertise will work hand in hand, complementing each other's strengths to build safer and more efficient infrastructures. So, what does the future hold for AI in civil engineering? As we've seen, AI is already making waves in the field, automating tasks and enhancing efficiency. We've delved into how AI is used in real-life scenarios like bridge maintenance, where it helps to predict maintenance needs and prioritize repairs, saving time and resources. But it's not just about automation, it's about synergy, about balancing AI with human expertise. AI can crunch massive amounts of data and identify patterns humans might miss, but we need human engineers to interpret these findings, to apply them in the field, to use their experience and intuition to make the final call. As we look to the future, it's clear that AI will continue to play a significant role in civil engineering, but it will not replace human expertise. Instead, it will augment it, leading to a future where technology and humanity work together to create better, safer, and more efficient infrastructures.